How to sign up for a MySpace account. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on MySpace. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and simply search for MySpace and hit enter. MySpace is a social networking website that was launched in 2003. It became extremely popular in the mid-2000s, allowing the users to create a highly customizable personal profiles with backgrounds, music, and photos. At its peak, MySpace was the largest social networking site in the world, but its popularity declined after Facebook gained traction. But today, MySpace still exists, but it primarily focuses on music and entertainment content. So once you have searched for MySpace, you can simply open up the link. And once you land on the official website, you'll have different options on the left side of your screen. You can see all of the featured musics, different videos, and find different people. And here you have two options. You can sign up if you're new, and you can sign in if you already have an account. I'm going to click on this, and here you can continue with your Facebook account, connect your Twitter account, or you can just use your email. First thing first, enter your full name. I'm going to do that right now, and then simply enter your gender, select it. Then create a username for yourself, enter a password, and then enter your email. Make sure that your email is valid. And once you have done that, you're going to simply enter your date of birth. And then I'm just going to go ahead and enter the zip code. Make sure that your zip code is valid. Then click on I'm not a robot to complete this quick CAPTCHA. And once that is done, you can simply click on verify and you should be good to go. Now, after entering the zip code, you can create an account. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.